नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself, JVN Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor, Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. We are going to discuss today homeopathic therapeutics of diseases of esophagus, and our main focus will be on the symptoms and medicines of gastroesophageal reflux disease. So first medicine we are going to discuss is Robinia. It is used for acid reflux and gastroesophageal reflux disease. So it is a top listed medicine for GERD. Robinia is prepared from plant remedy, plant named yellow locust. The natural order of this plant is Leguminosae. The key indication to use this medicine in GERD is intense heartburn, constant sore belching and sore vomiting due to regurgitation of acid from the stomach. The symptoms of heartburn as acidity tend to get worse at night time or lying down and can cause sleeplessness. Key indication for using Robinia for GERD are intense heartburn, sore belching and vomiting, heartburn and acidity worse at night. Friends, it is also said that Robinia causes acidity even from water. पेशेंट कई बार आके हमको कहता है कि डॉक्टर साहब पानी पीता हूँ तो भी एसिडिटी होती है, तो ऐसे में रोबिनिया एक बहुत अच्छी मेडिसिन इंडिकेटेड है. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन इज आयरिस वेर्सिकलर. दिस इज यूज फॉर सार बेटर एंड बेल्चिंग. सार एंड bitter belching. Iris versicolor is the natural medicine for treating GERD. It is prepared from plant commonly named as blue flag. The natural order of this plant is Iridicaceae. SAR, better, SAR and bitter belching is the key feature out to use this medicine. Vomiting of sour bitter fluid that burns the throat, vomiting with weakness, a smarting, burning sensation in the throat, and heartburn are the key symptoms for this medicine. So there may be burning distress and pain in the epigastric region, the part above the stomach at frequent intervals. Constant nausea may be present with these symptoms. Next medicine is Natrum Phos. It is used for heartburn and difficult swallowing. Natrum Phos is another prominently indicated medicine for GERD treatment. It is useful when heartburn is attended with difficulty in swallowing. Other symptoms include sour belching, water brush, and vomiting of sour fluid or curdled masses. Lumpy sensation in the throat may also be present along with the loss of appetite. Key indication for using Natrum Phos for GERD are heartburn and difficulty in swallowing, vomiting of sour, cheesy and curdled matter. Next medicine is arsenic album. It is used for burning pain in throat. Arsenic is a medicine for GERD that is accompanied by burning pain in throat. The burning gets worse upon swallowing. Swallowing is difficult and painful. Other symptoms include regurgitation of acrid matter, water brush, heartburn, intense nausea and weakness. Then arsenic is also a well indicated medicine for inflammation of the esophagus, that is esophagitis. Next medicine is calcarea carb. SAR test in mouth is an indication for calcarea carb. Calcarea carb is well indicated for GERD where there is SAR test in mouth. There is regurgitation of SAR substances with flow of SAR water fluid from the mouth. Foul odor from the mouth may be present with nausea, sour, bitter belching, vomiting of sour, bitter slime, and heartburn are some other symptoms that may be present. The burning from the food pipe extend to the throat. Along with this, continued loud belching may appear especially after eating with a cough and nausea. So other symptoms, other medicines like Nux vomica, then Carbovage can also be used. So that's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.